Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned the practicals of retry statement in Ruby. And today we will learn the theory portion of ensure statement in Ruby. Ensure statement. When an error occurs, our program gets terminated. To handle this scenario, we are using begin rescue block. But whenever any error occurs, it will flows the flow of execution from the begin block to the rescue block. But what if I want to execute some portion of code each time, regardless of checking that the error is occurred or not? So in this scenario, we can use ensure statement. This ensure statement gets executed each time if error is occurred or error is not occurred. It will not consider the error, but it will execute the block of code that is written in ensure block each time. Here in a screen I have written a sample example of ensure block that will illustrate you how we can work with ensure block. Here I have written a begin block with 3 statements. The first 2 statements are printing a message to user, and the third statement will raise an error. So our flow of execution is moved to our rescue block. So rescue block will be executed and it will again print one statement on user console. And after the execution of this both the block, the flows goes to ensure block and it will execute whatever code we have written into ensure block. This ensure block will always get executed. It is like the finally block that we are using in C language while working with exception handling, that is try catch block. This is how we can work with ensure. In next lecture, we will see the practicals of ensure statement in Ruby.